Hello students, let's move on to the next part of partnership final accounts. Here's the question on screen. From the following trial balance of Dharmendra and Hema, so these are the two partners, you are required to prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2022 and balance sheet was on that date after considering the following adjustments. Okay, so here we have the opening stock. Okay, so this will be trading debit. Salaries and wages, P&L debit. Cash, this will be balance sheet asset. Purchases, trading debit. Sundry expenses, P&L debit. Productive wages, this is a direct cost. So this will go in trading debit. Bills receivable, this will be balance sheet asset. Law charges, that is legal fees. Okay, so this will be P&L debit. Bad debts, so we'll be using the formula. Okay, so this is a trial balance wala bad debts. Okay, so in the formula when I write, I will show you how to represent it. So for the time being, I'm writing it P&L debit. Fine. Works expense, works means factory, the factory related expense will go to trading. Commission, this will be P&L debit. Investments, balance sheet asset. Debtors, balance sheet asset. Trademark, balance sheet asset. Tools and equipments, balance sheet asset. Furniture, balance sheet asset. Goodwill, balance sheet asset. Building, balance sheet asset. Okay, coming to the other side, sales, trading, credit, discount. Okay, so this is on the credit side. Yeah, so this is income, correct? So P&L credit. Creditors, balance sheet liability. Bank OD, balance sheet liability. Interest on investments, okay, P&L credit. Capital accounts of Dharmendra and Hema. Okay, now let's see the corresponding adjustments to it. So we have first with us, yeah. So adjustments will be having two effects, right? The first is closing stock. So this will be trading credit and second effect will be balance sheet asset. Okay. Depreciate building at the rate 10% per annum and furniture at the rate 10% per annum. Okay. So let's put a tick mark to furniture as well as to building. Okay. Because it is having an adjustment. Fine. So building and furniture ka depreciation will go to P&L debit and second effect, it will be subtracted from the respective asset. Okay. Now let's see. Furniture is how much? Furniture is 36,000. 36,000 ka 10% will come to 3,600. So this is my depreciation. Okay. And second effect, obviously it will be subtracted from furniture. P&L debit दिखाएगा और subtract from furniture. Next building 1,50,000 and उस पे depreciation कितना है 10%. So 1,50,000 का 10%. So that comes to 15,000. Okay. So this figure comes to 15,000. Okay. So here we go with the calculations as well. Then unpaid salary and wages and printing bill. So these are unpaid. Unpaid means outstanding. तो outstanding के दो effects होंगे. एक तो concerned expense को वो add होगा. दूसरा balance sheet liability. So let's put a tick mark to salaries and wages and also put a tick mark to printing and stationery. So let's see where is printing and stationery. There is no printing bill in this question. No. So it's okay. हम लोग इसे P&L डेबिट में दिखाएंगे. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? इसको हम P&L डेबिट में दिखाएंगे क्योंकि इसका दो इफेक्ट तो दिखाना ही है. प्रिंटिंग बिल इज नॉट गिवन ओवर हियर, so we will show it as a separate head in P&L account. Okay. Uninsured goods lost by fire. Okay, so uninsured goods ka two effects. Trading credit to the extent, yeah, 30,000 goods, what do you call, out. Okay, goods are out, so credit board goes out to trading credit. And second effect, it's a loss to me, so P&L debit. Okay, why two effects? Because uninsured goods bola hai, only two effects. Okay, then what have they said next? Partner share profits and losses in their capital ratio. Okay, so what is the capital? This is the capital, 1,80,000 and 1,20,000. Okay, so cancel all the zeros. Okay, So it is 18:12, right? 6, yeah. It will go in 3 ka table, na? Yeah. 3 6 and 3 4 It can be further reduced. Yeah, 2 2 2 3 So 3:2 is my PSR in capital ratio. Is this clear? Okay. So you can, yeah, work this out as a, yeah, working note as well. Okay. So this is how capital ratio is found. Okay. 3:2. Fine. Now that's it. Let's see the effects in the trading account. So this is my trading account and I'm highlighting the one which has an adjustment because it will be having two effects. So here we have opening stock, one effect, trading debit, purchases, one effect, trading debit, productive wages, that is also known as direct wages, trading debit, factory related expenses, that is called as work expense. The other name for work is factory. Sales, trading credit, one effect. Closing stock, this was in the adjustment. So इसका two effects होगा, एक इधर और एक balance sheet asset में. Okay. And then this goods lost by fire, ये भी adjustment में था, तो इसका भी two effects होगा. So I'm highlighting the effects of the adjustments in green. Okay. Fine. Now let's see. See your credit side total 9,90,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 30,000. Okay. Minus the debit side 1,05,000 minus 6,75,600 minus 42,000 minus, just a minute, I guess I took something wrong. 9,90,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 30. 11,40,000 minus 1,05,000, yeah, minus 6,75,600 minus 42,000, yeah, minus 18,000. So my gross profit is 2,99,400. Okay. So this gross profit will be seen as a second effect in obviously P&L account. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see our P&L. Yeah. Salaries is having an adjustment, outstanding salaries. Okay. So I will add it, outstanding salaries. Sundry expense was in the trial balance, so only one effect. Legal charges was in the trial balance, so one effect. Bad debts. अभी problem ये है, इधर bad debts का formula नहीं applicable है. क्यों? क्योंकि bad debts adjustment में है ही नहीं. तो ये जो मेरा bad debts है, ये P&L debit में दिख रहा है. Okay? Yeah. Otherwise हम कैसे लिखते हैं? हम पूरा formula लिखते हैं ना. Two bad debts in the trial balance, then we add new bad debts which is given in the adjustment, then we add new RDD which is given in the adjustment, then we take old RDD which is given in the trial balance credit side. तो अभी इस सम में क्या है, ये लोग ने क्या किया है, बैड डेट्स जो ट्रायल बैलेंस में 3,000 ये तो नहीं है और ये भी नहीं है, तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा, 3,000 ही आएगा ना. सो सेम इफेक्ट इधर दिया. ओके, सो दैट्स द लॉजिक. So if you want, you can use the original formula which you have been doing in your 11th and 12th standard, or if you're smart enough, you can directly write bad debts 3,000. Okay. Commission 9,000, it was there in the trial balance, only one effect. Depreciation, I just showed you the calculation. So uska two effects. I'm highlighting it because it is having an adjustment. So it will also have the second effect. So building and furniture, printing bills. Yeah, this was there in the adjustment. Okay. If you want, you can show printing and stationery like this also. Printing and stationery, it is not given in the trial balance, nil. Add outstanding. You can show it like this. 3,600, and then you can take this total 3,600 in the outer column. It is one and the same thing. Okay. So either you do it this way or you do it this way. Okay. Either you show it like this, to printing and stationery nil because it's not there in the trial balance, and you add outstanding to it, and then take the total in the outer column, or you directly show 3,600. That is what I was telling earlier when I was explaining the adjustment to you. Goods lost by fire का second effect is here. इसका एक effect was in trading credit. Okay. Discount का one effect ही था because it was in trial balance. Interest on investments का भी one ही effect था. It was in the trial balance. Okay. So one effect. Now let's see the closure. Yeah. 2,99,400, the gross profit which is brought down actually. Yeah, gross profit which is brought down. Okay. And yeah, add 14,400 plus 21,600, 3,35,400 minus the debit side 30,000 minus 25,800 minus 9,000 minus 3,000, again minus 9,000 minus 15,000 minus 3,600, again minus 3,600 minus 30,000. Okay, so this is my net profit 2,06,400, which will be divided in the capital ratio जो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था. कितना था capital ratio हमारा? 3:2. I just showed you the calculation of this capital ratio. I'm talking about this 3:2. Okay, so yeah, divide this into 3 divided by 5. So 1,23,840. Okay, 2,06,400 into next 2 divided by 5, 82,560. Okay, now in this sum, there is no interest on drawings, there is no interest on capital, there is no salary given to any partner. Okay, so expenses which are reflected in P&L appropriation account is missing in the question. So no need to prepare a P&L appropriation. Okay, so even if you prepare, it will go blank. Okay, so you can skip that P&L appropriation. Okay, and obviously Dharmendra and Hema, iska second effect will be reflected in their partner's capital. Okay, if you are not preparing a partner's capital, dear, then you can show it separately also. Yeah, see, if you're making a partner's capital account, so you will make it with 2 columns, right? Dharmendra and Hema. Here also Dharmendra and Hema. So this side you will be showing the opening balance. Kitna hai? 1,80,000. And this side also you will be showing an opening balance 1,20,000. Okay. And then, yeah, iska second effect you will be showing 1,23,840. Yeah, which will be reflected here. Yeah. Okay. And here. And when you close this balance, you will get this answer. Okay. So this answer is nothing but this answer which I have here. So it's one and the same thing. So if you're making a P&L capital, I mean partner's capital, or you can show it directly in the balance sheet. Either of the one you can go with. So even this is correct, and even this what I have written in balance sheet is also correct. Okay, I just wanted to give a view that even if you prepare it this way or that way, it will give you the same answer. Okay. So see, I've added the profits here. If you can see, opening capital में मैंने profits को add किया है और फिर उसको outer column में लिया है. ठीक है. बैंक ओडी 1 effect, creditors 1 effect, और ये वो salaries का second effect, outstanding salary, और ये outstanding printing and stationery का second effect. Okay. Just to highlight, goodwill 1 effect, building का depreciation का second effect, furniture का depreciation का second effect, equipments and tools, trademark, investments, debtors, bills receivable, cash, 1 effect, and closing stock, second effect, because it was there in the adjustment. Okay. Let's see. 39,000 plus 1,35,000 plus 32,400 plus 18,000 plus 24,000 plus 60,000 plus 1,20,000 plus again 1,20,000 plus 24,000 plus 30,000. 6,02,400. Let's see the liability. Yeah. 1,80,000 plus the net profit 1,23,840. Okay, then 1,20,000 plus the net profit 82,560. Okay, plus 3,03,840 plus 30,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,400 plus 3,600. Okay, so that's my tally amount. So I hope the sum was much easier than the other sums that we have discussed. Very basic, very basic. Okay, so let's meet in the other lecture where I'll be proceeding to another question. Okay, till then, happy learning.